How to remove my AI on Snapchat. Now without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, head over to your application Snapchat. Move into the chat section of your Snapchat. So you're basically gonna see the AI on this section. Right now my AI is not available because I don't have Snapchat Plus. But let's say this person is my AI and I want to remove it. All you gotta do is tap and hold the profile. Tap on Manage Friendship. The option of Remove Friend will be visible to you. You just need to tap on it and your AI will be removed successfully. But if it doesn't work, then what you can actually try doing is tap on your profile at the top left corner. And then tap on this gear icon. Scroll down until you see the option of Clear Conversation, and then head over to it. So if you have a Snapchat Plus, right here you'll get to see your AI. In order to remove or clear the conversation, all you gotta do is tap on this icon, and then you'll be good to go. So this is all for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to remove my AI on Snapchat. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.